Okay, the very first part for our version 1 showcase base has arrived. This one is from Solo Guitars. They have sent us here we have our Solo Guitars. They have sent us a reversed headstock maple jazz neck with black block inlays, which actually we requested a reverse headstock. This is a left-handed neck. A lot of times that's what you run into if you're doing a reverse headstock, is you'll have to use, unless you're having a neck custom made, if you're using a off-the-shelf neck from a company like Solo, more than likely you're going to have to get a left-handed neck, which is fine. The only issue with that is with a left-handed neck, we have the fret dots on this side, but we don't have them on this side. But that's fine. We're going to show you how to add some nice glow-in-the-dark fret markers when we build the base. And we'll have to change the nut around, which that's no problem. We'll just pull the nut out. We'll flip it around. Just first impressions. We'll get a more in-depth review of this neck later. First impressions, feels great. The fret ends feel great. Need just a little minor touch up, nothing major. I've definitely had necks I've had to do a lot more than this to. Overall, really nice. Nice piece of wood. Nice and straight. Just a tad bit of back bow, which is what we want. All the frets look good. And like I said, when I do a more in-depth review, we'll get a closer look at all of this stuff. But anyway, thank you so much, Solo Guitars, for the neck for our project base. And be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the showcase base build, as this box here starts to fill up with parts and we start getting everything together, get the body built, and the rest of the stuff comes in. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check us out at our website, panickinccustom.shop. Check out our Panic Inc. Facebook page and all of our other social media. Just look for Panic Inc. and you'll find us there. Thanks, and catch you guys on the next one.